So I got it all mixed up, added 2 big mushrooms, and a little bit of leftover beans, like refried beans from yesterday's tacos. Make it stick together so we don't have to use breadcrumbs. And now I'm gonna add the rice. So here's the tomato rice mixture, steaming away. I'm just gonna add some scoops of that. So I added 3 big spoonfuls, big spoonfuls. I'm gonna mix that all up and let it cool down a bit so I can stuff my cabbage rolls. Woohoo! Probably add a bit more salt and pepper to the mix as well. So it's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna add a bit more of this crushed tomato so it doesn't get too dry. And I'll have the rest of this sauce that I'm gonna cook them in, which is just stewed tomatoes, a bit of spices, and crushed tomatoes. I'm also gonna add a little bit of water mixed into the can here. Thin that out because I have a little bit of tomato paste to add to it, and it looks like the cabbage is steamy and flexible and everything's just about ready to roll. The mixture, once I've added that extra bit of sauce, should look just about like this. And the cooking sauce, I'm gonna add, let's see, probably about less than a teaspoon of salt. Celtic sea salt is what I'm using. And then I will add a teaspoon of sugar. And of course, a bit of pepper. And that's like, yeah, the stewed tomatoes. And the crushed tomatoes. Stir up the spices. Now I can get rolling. I'm actually going to coat the pan with just, yeah, so the bottom of the pan is covered. So I can start laying the cabbage rolls into the sauce. And while I'm at it, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Actually, we're going to start it at 400 just for the first 20 minutes and then turn it down to 350 because of the raw meat. Well, I've taken apart a lot of these cabbage roll leaves, and so far, this is how many I have rolled. There's just a little bit left here, and it's really annoying to take that apart, so I'm just going to roll what I got and see how much that makes. So once you have one layer ready to go, you can just plop in those stewed tomatoes. Cover that one layer all with sauce. Because, yeah, we don't want it drying out. So just cover it all with sauce, and then plop in a couple of whole mushrooms, and then you can start on rolling the next level of cabbage rolls. So here's our layer, and I'm just going to add some more of that sauce just so it covers the top. There was about a few of those cabbage leaves left over, so I'm going to just layer those on top and save that other little piece for soup.